Test video on the a5100, and this is a test video, and I'll see how long I can talk with it. So this is me moving around, zooming in, and it keeps on logging into my face. So there's glare in my glasses, so I'm taking them off. I can't see anything because I need glasses. Well, I ordered these. These were prescription sunglasses. Now I can see. Since there's all the noise, I'm not gonna fix anything. So this is like video camera within the room, and this is like vlogging, and this is like light from probably need better lighting, but I haven't tried. Let me try this. So a bit more lighting, but I don't think this really matters because this thing doesn't do that well for lighting. I don't know why I'm using this. It's funny. It's like a selfie light for your phone. Now it does this, it flashes. It's pretty cool. But now you see a glare. I'm gonna tell you a scary story, guys. I have sunglasses, so no one can tell I'm Asian. But everyone knows I'm Asian. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and like and subscribe. And this is my sample video of the 5100. Thanks for watching. Peace.